we're going to use the acronym TIP and C. TIP is for title. The title is Taco Penguin. Instructions. The instructions say, click the green flag to start, push space to reset the penguin. The purpose is to learn about sprites, events, and explore. And let's see, the last P is to play, so I'm going to play the project. Looks like there's a lot going on in this project. I remember from the instructions that I clicked the green flag to start, but it also says push space to reset the penguin, so I'm going to try pushing space. Oh, it also made a noise. Okay, so now I know there's a penguin in this project, there's a taco truck in this project, and I can also press play as many times as I want to see it again and again. So when I press the green flag again, I can see that the taco truck says, tacos anyone? And the penguin keeps walking. And then I can press the space bar to reset it. Okay, time to see inside. The see inside button is the blue button up at the top right, and it has curvy arrows. When I click it, I get to see the inside of the code, and I get to figure out why all of these things are happening. Okay, there's a lot of stuff here, but we'll take it one thing at a time. First of all, I want to look at the sprites. A sprite is a character or an object in your project that can move or change. And I can see here, we have two sprites. The sprite is the tiny picture. So I have a penguin and I have a tiny picture of penguin, that's the sprite. And then I have a food truck and I have a tiny picture of a food truck. Let's see, and I can click on each one of them. When I click on one, it will show a blue square around the sprite, and it will also show me the code or the instructions that are inside the sprite. So this penguin, let's see, this penguin has two events. Events are the next thing to look at. Events are yellow and they always start with when. So this event says when green flag is clicked, and this event says when space key pressed. Oh, and those are the two things. When I click the green flag, this is what's going to happen. It's forever move next costume wait. So that script makes the penguin walk across the screen. Okay, and then when space key is pressed, I'm going to press my space key. So when space key is pressed, it says go to this location and then play the sound. Okay, so now I understand what the penguin is doing. Time to look at the food truck. So I'll click on the food truck sprite and I can read its code, and it is much simpler. It only has one event. The event is when green flag is clicked, and underneath it, it says tacos anyone for 2 seconds. So I can play that by clicking the green flag here or the green flag here. If I click the green flag in the event, it just goes for the taco and the penguin does not move. But if I click this green flag here, then they're both gonna go. Okay, so that was sprites and events. Now it's time to explore. And explore is the time when you get to fix the program or make the program better or put in your own ideas or write different instructions. So one of the things you can do is to add a new sprite by clicking on this plus cat button down here. I really like the stars because then it gives me a surprise. So my surprise sprite is a butterfly. That's cool. I think I'm going to put it up here. And let's see, I think I might make the penguin say that the butterfly is pretty. So I'm going to go into the penguin and let's see. Do I want it when green flag clicked, or do I want it when space key is pressed? I think I'm going to do it when space key is pressed, so that every time I press the space, it says, what a nice butterfly. Okay, so I'm going to have to go look through my blocks over here. I'm going to have to find something that says say. Oh, there it is. Let's get this say hello for 2 seconds. I can put it in there. I don't know if I want it first, so you can move the order of the blocks around. So let's see. I want to say, what a nice butterfly. Should we test it out? Press the green flag to go, and then when I press space, we'll see if it says, what a nice butterfly. Hey, look. Oh, and then it makes the sound. You know what might be fun? I might want to make the sound before I say. Tacos anyone? And then, what a nice butterfly. Excellent. Okay, it's up to you now to explore. Remember, when you look inside your project, you use the See Inside button, and then you can look for each sprite down here. What is the events? What events does it have? and then you can explore the code and make your own changes. Have fun!